Hello, I'm Emma and welcome to this intermediate flow. Today we're going to be doing a couple of sun salutations, some really fun warrior poses, and some standing balances. All right, so to begin, we're going to start in forward fold. Go ahead and grab onto the elbows. Begin to rock side to side. Deep breaths in and out. Just begin to warm up the legs with that gentle sway. Good, and when you're ready, grab onto the elbows, begin to roll it up. Open at the top, keeping hold of both elbows, then bring the elbows in, roll it down. Good, roll it on up. Open, bring some movement into the spine. And down, and up. Good, and down. One more. And all the way up. Good, tilt to the left. Then to the right. Nice job. Bring it through the center and we'll start with the sun salutation, taking it slow at first. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step it back. Find your plank. Deep breath in and lower. Knees down, chest down. Inhale, find your baby cobra. Or cobra, full cobra. Exhale, lower. Inhale. Exhale, tuck the toes under, hips up, downward dog. Good. 1 or 2 breaths. And then start to walk it forward, halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale. Grab those elbows again, roll it all the way up. Reach the arms overhead, and exhale, dive again. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, walk it back, this time in one flow, lower to the mat. Inhale, lift, bring the legs to the ground. Exhale, downward dog. 1 deep breath. Good, inhale, walk it forward, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, grab onto the elbows. Inhale, round all the way up. Lift and open. Good, exhale, hands to the side. 1 more time, a little quicker. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, walk or hop. Lower. Inhale, lift. This time, upward dog or cobra. And exhale, downward dog. Good. 1 breath. Option to walk or to hop. Inhale, top of the mat, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, round it up. Open. Good job. Hands to your side. Take a breath. Find your posture. Tuck the pelvis in like there's a string at the top of the head. Shoulder blades back. Good. Inhale, send the hips back. Chair pose. Arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, walk it back. Continue to lower to the mat. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, lift that right leg up nice and high. Exhale, step it forward. Left heel down. Inhale, lift up. Warrior 1. Take your time. We'll wait a moment here. Exhale, hands come down. Inhale. Exhale, flow. Inhale to lift. Exhale, downward dog. Then next inhale, left leg up. Exhale, tuck it forward. Step it up. Right heel comes down. Inhale, lift. Warrior 1. Good. Exhale, continue to lower all the way. Inhale, lift. Exhale, downward dog. Good. Take 3 deep breaths. Good, inhale, walk forward, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose, send the hips low. Exhale, find your mountain pose, good job. Good job, let's add to it. Inhale, sit the hips back, chair pose. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, walk it back, lower. Inhale to lift, upward dog, or keep to the mat for cobra if you're getting tired. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, let's lift the left leg up this time. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, from here, right heel comes down, lift up, warrior two. Take a moment. Go ahead and reverse, right hand to right leg. Inhale, left arm up and back. Exhale, left hand to left leg. Inhale, right arm up and over. Left arm can also be on the ground. Then from here, deep breath in. Exhale, extend that left leg. Right arm can do a big circle here. Get into that inner hamstring. Good, inhale. On the exhale, come down into Skandasana, back of the mat. Right hand comes down, inhale, left arm lifts. And see if you can use your mobility. Inhale, exhale, all the way back to the top of the mat. If you need to use your hands, that's fine. Step that left foot back, deep breath in, lower. Inhale to lift. Exhale, downward dog. Nice job. Taking it to the other side now, right foot lifts. Exhale, step it forward, left heel down. Inhale, warrior two. Left hand to left leg. Inhale, reverse it. Exhale, right hand to right thigh or on the mat. Inhale, left arm lifts forward. Okay, then from here, big circle, extend that left leg. Trikonasana. And if you need your mobility or your hands, then slink down to the back of the mat, Skandasana. Inhale, right arm lifts. If you can do it with your mobility, that is fantastic. And ready, inhale, exhale. Top of the mat, deep breath in. Exhale, flow. Inhale, lift. Exhale, downward dog. Good, 2 or 3 breaths. Inhale, walk it forward, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, mountain. Nice, inhale, lift the arms up. Add a little finger gun and tilt to the left just with the upper torso if you can. Then to the right. Inhale through the middle. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, walk or hop back. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Nice job. Good. From here, inhale. Lift the right leg up. Exhale, step forward. And inhale, launch your weight onto that right foot. Lift the left leg and bring the right hand, the right fingertips to the mat. Inhaling to your half moon pose. Lift and hover. Nice. Inhale, bring that left leg up. Exhale, extend it out in front of you. Hand to the big toe. Twist to the left. Left arm reaches back. You can keep it bent here. You can bend the knee. Do what you need to. Good. From here, inside of the left foot to the inside of the right thigh. Tree pose. Nice. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Release as you fold. Step the left foot back. Inhale, find your downward dog. Exhale, sink into it. Other side, inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale from here, shift the weight onto the left foot, lift. Find your half moon. Good. Bring that knee into the chest, turn towards the left. Revolved. Hand to big toe. Nice job. Exhale, right sole of the foot to the left leg. Whoops, daisy. Connect the palms and relax. Try and keep active in that left leg though. Good, inhale, begin to tilt forward, extend the right leg back, step it back, and take a couple breaths, downward dog, well done. Bring the knees down, you can enter child's pose too if you like. Amazing. Good, let's finish it off with a gentle cool down. Inhale, roll forward. From here, take a seat on the mat, bring both legs out in front of you. And from here, take that left knee, either bring it on the inside of the left leg, like tree pose, or take it to the side. Just be careful that feels good on your knee. Inhale, reach up, exhale, fold. Find that nice deep calf stretch, hamstring stretch. Good, inhale, lift on up. From here, go ahead and twist on that leg, like into almost a side plank position. And find a different kind of a twist. Twisting sideways, left elbow on the outside of the right knee, sideways and back. This is too much, bring that leg a little more forward, gives you some more space. You can use the hand just to bend here. You can even do it more closer in. Good, bring that knee now out to the side. Go ahead and bend forward towards the left or the middle left. Good, inhale to lift. Extend that right leg in front of you. From here, other side, left knee comes in either on the inside of the right thigh or bring it back, bending so the heel connects to the glute. Inhale to lift, fold forward. Bend that front knee if you need to. Good, inhale, lift the left knee up and twist again. Right elbow outside of left knee. Find your bend, side bend. Press against one another, so left knee presses against the right elbow. Good to keep a micro bend in that elbow. Super nice day today. Good, bring that, now that left foot inwards a little more through the center, so the heel is kind of right in the center of your body. Lift up, fold forward. Forward and to the right slightly. Inhale, lift. Well done. Extend both legs out in front of you, scoot forward, and we'll launch your back, grab onto the outside of the foot with the toes, open to your happy baby, add a little bit of a rock, just to finish off here. Amazing. Nice. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, either open into your Shavasana and enjoy a bit of a relax, or sit on up. Pause for a few moments. Relax your body again, slowing the breathing. And we'll finish there. Thank you for joining me. I hope that was a fun one. I really enjoyed the sun salutations and the structure it brings to the practice and those fun balancing poses. So again, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you for the next one.